Bloody Mary Smoothie. Ingredients: 1.5 cups of low sodium tomato juice, 1 small tomato, 1 cup cucumber chopped, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 5 ice cubes. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, another superfood for diabetes, are packed with vitamin C, are an excellent source of vitamin A and are a good source of potassium. They are also low carb and low calories. Cucumber. Cucumber juice along with carrot juice is extremely effective for rheumatic conditions caused by excessive uric acid in the body. It is good for digestion, especially of proteins, and it controls blood pressure and diabetes mellitus. Drinking cucumber juice on a regular basis also helps to cure gout and eczema. Lemon juice. Lemon water is good for diabetics as a means of controlling blood sugar levels. Lemon juice is good for diabetics mainly because of its high concentration of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the body's immune system and has a beneficial effect on heart health. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. Pour into a serving glass. Bloody Mary Smoothie is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Homemade Ayurvedic powder to control diabetes. This Ayurvedic powder brings amazing changes in diabetes and helps to cure diabetes naturally without any medicines. Coriander seeds. Coriander seeds are being used to cure diabetes since a long time. Also, in many studies, it has been proved that coriander is helpful in reducing diabetes. Coriander reduces the glucose levels of your blood. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are being used as traditional herbal treatment for diabetes. It is a good supplement to cure diabetes. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds 1 cup, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds called somp 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds called jeera 1 teaspoon and turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Preparation: add fenugreek seeds in hot pan and roast on medium-high heat for 1 or 2 minutes. Stir frequently until it gets red-brown in color as shown in video and keep it aside. Now fry fennel, cumin and coriander seeds until it gets light red-brown color. Now add ingredients in grinder and switch on mixer to make ingredients into powder. Check the powder for solid parts to be grinded and mix turmeric powder and once again switch on grinder to mix thoroughly. Coriander plus fenugreek powder is now ready and use it in regular diet for good results. Usage rule: mix 1 teaspoon of coriander fenugreek powder in glass of water and take it daily usage before breakfast and dinner and check diabetes levels for every 3 days. By taking this powder regularly, you can reduce your high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.